Almost every modern home depends on a water heater similar to these. But after just a few months of use, its efficiency decreases at a high rate, causing the heater to use more energy and take longer to heat the water. Most hot water heaters rely on metallic coils, which can corrode over time and build up hard deposits that can lead to serious problems. Without regular flushing and maintenance, the entire unit could stop working, and corroded metals in the water could even cause potential health issues. Heating elements are non-existent. Instead, we use infrared energy and quartz, which doesn't corrode like metal and lasts longer than other heating elements. Our patented process allows the water and the heating element to remain separate, so systems can run virtually maintenance-free for up to 4 times longer than other heaters. And they also condition the water, making scale deposits and hard water buildup a thing of the past. Our state-of-the-art modulator draws less energy than other tankless systems and only turns on when you need it. Because there's no corrosion, our heaters can sustain peak efficiency for many years. That means a family of 4 can switch from a traditional always-on tank and save an average of $500 per year in water heating costs for showers alone. Or a restaurant owner converting from gas could save $700 per month. All of our products are designed and engineered in the United States.
Directly at the sink at point of use. The Tronic 3000T can be used at any sink where hot water doesn't exist or takes too long to reach. That includes a basement wet bar or patio kitchen station, a garage or attic, even in an RV or on a boat. No matter the application, with the Bosch Tronic 3000T, hot water will quickly be in hand, precisely where it's needed, saving time, water, and energy.
Bosch, invented for life.
How would you like to enjoy endless breaker to function properly. The only thing you need to do now is have a professional install your EcoSmart unit. With simple installation, an endless supply of hot water is just 3 easy steps away. 1. Mount the unit in a convenient location in your home. 2. Once mounted with the unit turned off, run water through it to remove any air pockets to enhance the unit's efficiency. And finally, 3. Activate the unit. To find out which EcoSmart tankless water heater model is right for you, simply refer to our sizing map and interactive sizing guide. For more information about our products, call 888-212-5962.